Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second class of advertising and promotion. Today the topic which we are going to present in front of you people is a very famous topic of advertising. It is called AIDA model. It is an abbreviation which I have written over here. AIDA, A-I-D-A, AIDA. A for attention, then interest, D for desire, and A for action. Attention, interest, desire, action. This is a very classical model of marketing or advertising which is used for more than 100 years. This model was presented by an American businessman by the name of Lewis in 1898. This model actually it explains the process of advertising through which a consumer passes from awareness step or attention step to the action step. I told you that this abbreviation is used for attention or awareness. Attention or awareness, interest, desire, action. Attention or awareness, interest, desire or action. This model was presented by Lewis in 1898. Lewis was an American businessman. Furthermore, I told you that this is classical model of advertising or marketing used by most of the organization or most of the marketing companies or advertising agencies. People are strongly believing in this model still this day. Although there are many more variants or sub-models of this AIDA model. AIDA model represents the funnel through which the consumer or customer passes by, starting from the awareness stage to the purchasing stage. Somehow psychology is also involved over here. First step, I told you attention, A, or awareness. In advertising, we have three major steps or three major goals of advertising. Number one is called awareness stage. Awareness stage or awareness level or awareness goal. Brand awareness stage. This is goal number one of advertising. Goal number second of advertising is brand recognition stage. Second, brand recognition stage. Number third, brand recalling stage. Before explain this thing, I would like you people first to learn these three goals of advertising. Three goals of advertising. Goal number one, brand awareness. Goal number second, brand recognition. Goal number third, brand recalling. In advertising, what we are doing first, we are trying our best to create awareness or draw the attention of the people in the society by the use of different types of media. In other classes, I have also told you that only one type of media, whether it is electronic media or social media or print media, it will not be sufficient for your advertisement. So in advertisement, we must have used different types of medias to bring awareness in the society. Sometimes students are asking this question that which media is the best. I am telling them that no media is best only by itself, but instead we need to convey or broadcast or telecast or air our message to the society by using different types of media like electronic media, print media and social media. Electronic media, television and radio; print media, billboards, pull signs, newspapers, magazines, wall chalking, even wall chalking. So all these things are called print media. Social media, like the media which we people are using very commonly in our society, all young generation is using this social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Gmail, email, etc. That is called social media, in which people are connected to each other. So we need to use different types of media to convey our message in the best possible way, or to bring awareness in the society, or to reach to this stage or achieve this goal, brand awareness stage. However, in this brand awareness stage, our ads are more lengthy, in which we are giving the name of the product, the name of the company, logo of the company, features of the product, specifications of the product, information about availability, information about the availability of the product, information about price of the product. All these informations are given in the awareness stage, in the ads of the awareness stage. In short form advertisements, we are calling it ads. Ads which are displayed on television, newspaper, etc., or radio, etc., they are called ads. So here ads are lengthy sometimes. So in this regard, you should remember one thing more, that the ads which you are watching on television or social media, etc., we have got two types of ads, Elanat. Number one of which we are calling it infomercials. Number second, we are calling it commercials. Both of them are called ads or advertisements or advertisements. But what is the difference between infomercials and commercials? Infomercials remains in some minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, because we are at this stage, or we are trying our best to achieve the first goal of awareness or attention. That's why we need to convey full information to the people about our product, about our services, about our logo, name, address of the company, different varieties of the products that we are offering to the society, prices, etc., package, all these things we need to convey to the society. That's why our ads remain in some minutes, while commercials, most oftenly commercials are in seconds. Like you see, commercials are starting from 5 seconds to 35 seconds, not more than that. Most commonly the duration of commercial lies between 15 seconds to 35 or maximum up to 40 seconds, not more than that, because television will charge you not based on the number of ads but based on seconds when you are telecasting your ad on television, etc. There are also some other conditions. So brand awareness stage, in which we are using infomercial as well as commercial, plus we are using different types of medias to reach this stage or to the attention stage or awareness. Here I would also like to add something else. In the start I told you that in the awareness you will have to convey your message through infomercials or commercials by the use of different types of media: social media, electronic media and print media. When we are using different types of medias for conveying the same message through each and every one of them, this concept is called IMC. This concept is called IMC. It is abbreviation for Integrated Marketing Communication. Integrated Marketing Communication. Integrated Marketing Communication. What does it mean? What is meant by IMC or Integrated Marketing Communication? It means that we will have to integrate our communication by the use of different types of media, social media, electronic media, print media, to convey our message to the society in the best possible way. Only one type of media will not work alone to bring awareness in the society. However, it was about the awareness stage, because it has come here, attention or awareness. That's why I explained all these things to you people. Then when you have got the brand awareness through the IMC or with the help of different types of ads, by using different types of media, means people know about your product, about your address, about brand specification, price, all 4 P's, etc. Then the second stage or the second goal of advertisement which comes is called brand recognition stage. Brand recognition stage means you are using IMC model, different types of media for your message, ads, infomercial, commercials, bringing awareness in the society. Then you are step forward to the second stage, which is called brand recognition stage. And brand recognition stage, what is over there? People are becoming much more aware at such a level that they recognize your product by your slogan, like Roshan Ligi Bartar, by your logo, by your package, by your color. Like what is the color of Etisalat? You know very well. What is the color of MTN? What is the color of Roshan? What is the color of Pepsi? What is the color of Coke? What is the logo of Coke? So it means that they have advertised their products, their logo, their package too much, so that it is printed in our minds, and we know these companies not only by names but by its logo, by its package, by its color, etc. This stage is called brand recognition stage. And at the last, obviously we are using advertising to achieve all these goals or to reach all these stages. Number 3 is brand recalling stage. Recalling stage means that whenever you are feeling a need, for example, you are feeling that I need a cold drink or carbonated drink, suddenly in your mind clicks a brand name like Pepsi, like Coke, or a student likes to purchase a laptop. So suddenly, with the need recognition of laptop, in his mind clicks 1 or 2 names like Dell, like Apple laptop. So it means that Dell or Apple have reached to this position that with the need of the customer, their names automatically clicks in the minds of the customer. This stage is called brand recalling stage. However, I explain these 3 goals because of this one point of IDA model, attention or awareness. You are trying your best with the help of advertisement. We are trying our best to bring awareness in the society, to draw the attention of the customer towards our product or services. Then we are promoting our product. We are presenting different features of the product, specification of the product, so that the customer show its interest in the product. Or we are trying our best that after bringing awareness in the society, to create interest in the minds of the customer for our product. So this is called second stage of the IDA model. How we are presenting, how we are creating interest in the minds of the customer. Obviously, by offering them different types of discounts, by adding different features to the products, by sometimes giving them discounts, or showing them that our product is having some extra or innovative characteristics, additional features is compared to the competitor product. This is how we are using different types of methods or means by which we are creating interest in the minds of the customer. When interest is created in the minds of the customers, then they are showing their desire to contact with you, to contact with the organization, to get further information or to collect the product, to purchase the product. Then again, through advertisement, we are giving them different contact number. We are making or we are providing a large number of facilities so that we can know about the desire of the customers. Their desires, like how, let's suppose a customer likes to know about price, different packages, different varieties, so how he can contact you. So then by advertisement their desire is created, and at the last customer, psychologically customer started through from this point of this funnel and action, he is taking action at the last. Action means that he is practically purchasing this product. So this model is called IDA model, or IDA model, in which we can say that this model, this funnel, starting from the attention or awareness and ends at the last point or last action of the customer, which is purchasing of the product. Thank you very much, students. See you inshallah in the next class.